In this video, I'll show you how to use your Ionos hosting account efficiently and effectively. Whether you're building a new website, managing files, or maintaining an existing project, this step-by-step guide will help you get the most out of your hosting. First things first, to access all the features Ionos offers, you'll need to log in to your account. Go to the Ionos homepage and click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner. Once you're on the Sign In page, select Customer Account if you're already a user. This is important because Ionos also provides options like webmail, so you want to make sure you're accessing the correct section for hosting. Next, enter your registered email address. Make sure it's correct, then click Next to proceed. After that, enter your password. It's important to keep your password secure to protect your account. If you've forgotten it, you can use the reset option provided. Once entered, click Next again. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Ionos dashboard. This is where you can manage your domains, hosting packages, and more. For this tutorial, focus on the Hosting section and click on it. Inside the Hosting section, look for the Use Webspace option linked to your hosting package. This is where you'll manage your website files and resources. Next, you can start managing your website files. Use the Upload button to add files directly from your computer. This includes HTML files, images, scripts, and other content. Ionos also allows you to organize your files easily. You can create new folders by clicking New Folder, helping you keep everything structured and easy to navigate. As you work with your hosting, here are a few useful tips. Regularly update your website content and create backups to prevent data loss. Make use of Ionos customer support if you need help with technical issues. And don't forget to explore additional features like domain management, email services, and SEO tools to improve your online presence. And that's how to use your Ionos hosting account effectively. Once you understand the dashboard and tools, managing your website becomes much easier. Keep exploring the features available to you, and you'll be able to build and maintain a strong online presence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.